Hello loves, it's Arum and welcome to another cozy little vlog. Today's vlog is all about my brand new skincare fridge and I'm so excited because it's finally here. I've been wanting a beauty fridge for the longest time and I finally decided to get one. Just look how adorable this pink color is. In today's vlog, I'll be giving you a little tour of the fridge, decorating it with stickers, and then restocking it with my favorite skincare products. So let's get started.
Here's my new skincare fridge. Isn't she the cutest? One of my favorite features is the mirror on the front. It also has built-in LED lights which are perfect for quick skincare touch-ups. The lights are controlled by this touch key, so with just one tap, the mirror lights up. I love how bright and clean the lighting looks. It makes the fridge feel even more luxurious. It also has sleek door handle that's really easy to open. And these little bottom feet help keep the fridge stable wherever you place it. At the back, you'll find the air inlet cover plate for ventilation along with the power socket. And the inside is just as pretty. It also lights up whenever you open the door, which is such a nice little detail. I really love how everything has its own place. There's a high bottle area that's perfect for taller skincare products, a medium bottle area for my moisturizer and serums, and a small bottle area for smaller essentials. It even comes with a storage drawer where I can keep smaller skincare products nice and organized. On the door, there are dedicated spaces for sheet masks, so they'll always be easy to grab whenever I'm in the mood for a little self-care night. And one of my favorite little details is the lipstick organizer. It can hold up to 7 sticks, but I can also use it for nail polishes or any other small beauty products.
Now it's time for decorating. I'm adding some cute little stickers to give it a little more personality. I love personalizing my things because it makes them feel even more special and unique.
Now it's finally time to fill it up with skincare. I've been looking forward to this part because organizing skincare is honestly so satisfying. I'm grouping my products together so everything is easy to find. My taller bottles are going in the high bottle section, while my serums and smaller products fit perfectly in the other compartments. And of course, my sheet masks are going right here on the door shelves. I've always wanted to keep my skincare chilled because it feels so refreshing, especially after a long day. I'm honestly obsessed with how it turned out. It's so cute, organized, and exactly how I imagined it. I can't wait to start using it every day and keep all my favorite skincare products nice and chilled. Definitely one of my favorite little additions.
That brings us to the end of today's vlog. I hope you enjoy decorating and organizing my skincare fridge with me. Let me know in the comments what your favorite part was, or if you have skincare fridge too. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss my future vlogs. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again on my next vlog. Bye!